That's a neat trick. Look at that. Damn. That's skills, bro.
Done one or two in my life.
Look at that. Slick Rick.
Done one or two in my life.
So after you do mine or something, when we got the spare vinyl, what we'll do is like at my house and mine.
Yeah, and then go back down.
There. Oh, I left a piece up there for you guys to use.
Yeah, and then we put it down, and there was sand underneath it, so it came up.
Oh, way to go, ladies. Baby face. Oh. Mommy pinched you. I know.
That is crazy.
I don't know how it's possible, but your baby's cute.
I know, eh?
That's right.
Exactly.
Heavy Freds. It's vicious. The only shop I've ever been in is I'm like severely outnumbered by women always.
Did you get that? Or?
We're still
Yeah.
there's 5 women. And the dog, who's female.
Try to produce another one.
That's fine.
Yeah.